Mega IPOs may not lead to listing gains. We've seen in the last 2 decades that IPOs which have a size of more than 10,000 crores may not always lead to a huge listing gain on the day it lists. In fact, in the last 10 IPOs, which are about 10,000 odd crores, we have seen 6 IPOs giving negative returns on the listing day and 4 IPOs giving us positive returns. HDB Financial is the latest IPO to give a positive return here. To give an instance, from 2008 onwards, when Reliance Power listed and was subscribed nearly 70 times, that listing saw a 17% negative return. In the last 2 decades, there have been only 4 companies, as I said. Of that, 2 companies are from the public sector and 2 companies are from the private sector. In the public sector, we have seen Coal India and NTPC Green giving us a positive return on the listing day. And in the private sector, we had recently this Swiggy IPO, which came in 2024, which gave us a positive return. And now it is HDB Financial, which is giving a positive return of roughly around 14-15%. But in SGB Finance, there is multiple technical factors which are playing in. If you look at the IPO's shareholding pattern, public shareholding is around 25%. A large part of the public shareholding is locked in either in form of pre-IPO shareholders shares, which are under lock-in for next 6 months, or in form of anchor lock-in, which is for 30 days and 90 days. So what is the free float here? In that case, the freely available shares is around 16 odd percent, with public, which is a retail public, owning roughly around 11 to 12% of that free float of 16%, which is there. So institutions will be scrambling for this IPO, and the reason being, we saw the kind of subscription that came in for QIBs. The QIB subscription was 55 times, and foreign investors own only 4.16% stake in HDB Financial, and the remaining is held by mutual funds, insurance companies, and pension and provident fund companies. So, if our institution wants to put HDB Financial in its portfolio, it will have to buy it from the market, and the seller here would be the retail investors. And the question is whether retail investors would like to hold on to this marquee IPO or marquee share which belongs to the HDFC group, or whether they will sell and book profits at this level. The stock had a discovered price of 835 rupees per share, and thereafter it has gained. It needs to be seen whether more institutional demand comes into during the day and how the IPO closes.